Hello students and welcome back to our Spot That English Error series. In this video number 3, we'll be focusing on sentence order. How do we fix errors within a sentence by changing around the order? My name is Ben with EnglishFromA2Z.com and here we go. So tell me at home, what is wrong with this picture? Well, there's a few errors here and they all relate to sentence order. And there's some changes we need to make to the vocabulary. But I want you to pause this video and figure out how this picture could be better in terms of this instruction. It reads, here inside flash, it's not allowed. And while that's kind of correct, you can kind of tell if you're a native English speaker what the sign is saying. For a non-native English speaker, it can be quite difficult to understand. So we're going to work on this together. So I want you to take a minute. If you want to pause this video, you can go ahead. And I want you to look at this sentence and try to fix it on your own. And then play the video again, and then we'll go on to fix the sentence. But there's some things wrong with this picture. There are two things we need to fix. And it's mainly related to fixing the order of the sentence, where the words are going. So with that, pause the video, and then come back, and we'll go forward. All right, so hopefully you understood, you were able to fix the sentence on your own, fix the picture on your own, but now I'm going to help you out. So there are a few ways to change the sentence to become grammatically correct, depending upon changes to this sentence order, meaning we've got to rearrange the words. So there are 4 different options that I've come up with for you at home. So number 1, flash photography is not allowed inside here. So we moved inside here to the end of the sentence, and then we were more specific. Instead of saying flash is not allowed here, we said flash photography is not allowed inside here. So we put inside here at the end, and then we added photography after flash, the word flash, to the beginning of the sentence. Number 2, inside here, comma, flash photography is not allowed. So inside here, we kept that, but then we added photography after flash is not allowed, period. And then we have correct punctuation there with the comma. Number 3, we also have inside here, but then we also use it's as our subject. It's not allowed to have flash photography. So we keep the it's, but then we also add flash photography to the end of the sentence. And then number 4, we keep that at the beginning, not allowed. It's not allowed to have flash photography inside here. So at the end of the sentence, we have inside here instead of at the beginning with the comma. So these are all correct. Any one of these would be correct. Now, here inside, flash, it's not allowed. That's not correct because here inside, you have to switch that around. You have to put inside before here. And then flash is very general, so you want to add flash photography is not allowed. Or you could say it's not allowed and then put flash photography at the end. Inside here, it's not allowed to have flash photography. Okay? So these are your 4 options. Any 4 of them would be correct, but this sign is not correct. So that's why we have our Spot That English Error or Errors series. And to help you with your sentence order, this is good practice. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Any of these would be correct. Please check your writing to make sure that your changed sentences were similar to mine as well. And I hope you really enjoyed my video and this English error fixing video. So thanks for watching. For more information about our digital products and services to help English students like you succeed inside and outside the classroom, please go to www.englishfroma2z.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the button if you like this or any of our other videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.